गुड इवनिंग আজি প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্সর কেইটামান টেন্স কারেকশন লৈ আহিছোঁ। প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্সর ফরমেশন বা স্ট্রাকচার হৈছে সাবজেক্ট প্লাস হ্যাভ নাইবা হ্যাজ প্লাস ভার্বর পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল প্লাস অবজেক্ট। আমি এই ফর্মুলা অনুযায়ী এই স্ট্রাকচার বা ফরমেশন অনুযায়ী আমি এই টেন্সকেইটা কারেক্ট কৰিম। ঠিক আছে, আমি কোশ্চিন লৈ আগবাঢ়ো। They dash is since each other since 5 years। তেতিয়াহ'লে দে লগত হ্যাভ হয় আৰু ভাৰ্বৰ পাষ্ট পাৰ্টিচিপল known, they have known each other since last 5 years। 1 নম্বৰ গ'ল। আমাৰ 2 নম্বৰ শুদ্ধত্বটো এইটো তোমালোকে দেখা পাইছা, এৰো মাৰ্ক দিয়া আছে, রাইট চিন দিয়া আছে। ঠিক আছে, নেক্সট কোশ্চিন লৈ আগবাঢ়ো। সরি মিস্টার আকবর আই ড্যাশ মাই সরি মিস্টার আকবর আই ড্যাশ মাই homework at home। I have forgotten my homework at home। ঠিক আছে, নেক্সট লৈ যাও। নেক্সটত আছে I dash him several times before। I লগত have হ'ব আৰু ভাৰ্বৰ সিৰ past participle seen, সিৰ past participle seen। I have seen, গতিকে এনসার হ'ব I have seen। হৈ গ'ল। 5 নম্বৰটো I know that what happened there, I dash about it। I know that what happened there, I have heard about it। মই তাত কি হৈছিল আমি নাজানো, কিন্তু মই এইটোৰ বিষয়ে শুনিছোহে। ৰাইট চিন হৈ গ'ল। have heard। I am very tired। I dash 6 pizzas since morning। মই বৰ ক্লান্ত। I have delivered। I have হেজৰ have আৰু ভাৰ্বৰ ডেলিভাৰৰ ভাৰ্বৰ পাষ্ট পাৰ্টিচিপল হ'ল delivered। I delivered 6 pizzas since morning। তাৰপিছত 7 নম্বৰ I need to take a bus because I dash my car। I have sold my car। I am so happy because I dash my English exam। I am so happy because I have passed my English exam। She is unhappy because she dash her keys, he has lost। she লগত has হয়। I I am hungry because I still have not eaten anything. এইটো রাইট চিহ্ন। নেগেটিভত আছে I am hungry, মই বৰ ক্ষুধাৰ্ত because মই এতিয়ালৈকে একো খোৱা নাই। 11 নম্বৰ নম্বৰত কৈছে she dash 5 gold medals so far. She has won. she লগত has হয় winner past participle win own past participle own। 12 নম্বর dash I dash kayaking yet. I have not tried kayaking yet। 13 নম্বর dash rahat dash the basketball team. has rahat joined the basketball team। ঠিক আছে হৈ গ'ল has থার্ড পারসন সেই কারণে has হল। she dash a competition so far. she has not lost a competition so far. the game dash yet. the game has not finished yet। ঠিক আছে dash you এবার dash archery have you ever tried archery। ঠিক আছে 17 নম্বর I have just dash a hot tea. I have had ইয়াতে I have I ৰ লগত have এটো তো আমাৰ ফৰ্মুলাৰ have আৰু had তো হৈছে have ৰ past participle হৈছে had have ৰ past participle had have past participle হৈছে had past participle হৈছে had। 18 নম্বর I dash rugby before. I have not played rugby before. she dash her mother for a long time. she has not seen her mother for a long time. Johnny can't come with us because he dash his leg. he has broken he লগত has হয় he is broken his leg. she dash a quitter lesson. she is taking her lesson now. she has started past participle started। বাস 22 number I dash cup of tea for you. it is on the table. I have made PT dash his glasses. he has not got his glasses now. Pity has lost. Have lost নহ'ব, have lost কাটা, lost কাটা, has lost right হ'ব. David's hair is very short. He has cut his hair off. 25 নম্বৰটো চোৱা. Is your father at home now? বিয়ে কৈ আছে, এ কৈ আছে is your father at home now? তোমাৰ দেউতা ঘৰত আছেনে? বিয়ে কৈ আছে no. He has gone to Paris. He has gone to went নহ'ব, left নহ'ব. He has gone to Paris. I dash my arm 3 times. I have broken. I লগত have হয় broke, break, broken. My arms 3 times. 27 নম্বৰটো our team dash 2 matches this year. Has won. Our team has won. I have worked very hard. Dash this week, last week. This week I have worked very hard this week. ইয়াতে এটা কথা যে প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰ্টিচিপল প্ৰেজেন্ট টেন্সত থাকিলে লাষ্ট উইক নাথাকে, 2 উইকস এগো নাথাকে, 2 ডেজ এগো নাথাকে, কিন্তু দিস উইক এই টাইমত হ'ব. I have written 6 letters since breakfast. Since বা ফৰৰ since হ'ব ইয়াতে. Chumki has lived in Istanbul dash 5 years. For 5 years. 31 নম্বর have you dash been to India? Have you ever been to India? Some student dash finished their writings. Yes, some student have not. I need to buy a new mobile phone, but I dash which brand I will buy. I have not decided. Dash his father been to London before. Has his father been to London before? Some farmers in Turkey dash old farming method for over 1,000 years. Have using, has used, have used. এটো কোনটো হ'ব? Some farmers in Turkey have used old farming method for over 1,000 years. The police dash the thief yet. The police have not caught. এটো পুলিশ তো বহুবচন হয়, প্লুরাল নাম্বার। আৰু ক্যাচৰ past participle caught. The thief dash more than $1,000 from the market. The thief has stolen The thief dash in prison several times before. The thief has been in prison for several times. I dash the difference between simple past tense and simple perfect tense. I have not understood. I have not understood. দুইটাই have not দিছে। I have not understood. How many times dash your teacher dash this topic? How many times has your teacher explained this topic? ঠিক আছে।